You've heard about the American lottery over the years, and this time you want to give it a try. If that's your intentions, then this video is for you. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through the eligibility requirements you need to know before submitting your entry. And you are doing this thing yourself, okay? You can use your smartphone or your computer to submit your entry. You are not paying money to any third party to do this for you. It's totally free, and I'll show you the official website where you submit your entry, and everything is going to be based on you. You know, there are a lot of scammers and scam websites out there that try to lure people to pay money for them to do the registration on their behalf. But hey, let me tell you, you don't need to pay money to anyone to do this for you. You are doing this thing solely by yourself. So I'm going to walk you through a quick presentation. Then after that, we'll head over to the official website and I'll walk you through how to do all those things. Remember that you are doing this thing by yourself. So let's proceed. Who is eligible to apply for the Diversity Visa 2023 or the American Lottery 2023? Who is eligible to apply for this visa? Everybody is eligible to apply for this visa except countries who have more than 50,000 of their natives immigrated to America over the past 5 years. And those countries include Bangladesh, Brazil, Canada, China, Colombia, and the rest. So in Africa here, we have Nigeria here. If you are from Nigeria, then they are saying that you can't apply for this entry this time. So if you are not from any of these countries, then you are free to apply for this visa, and then who knows, maybe your luck will shine, then you'll be selected. So if you are not from these countries, you can simply apply for this visa. So let's proceed. So here we are looking at the requirements. So what requirements are they looking for before you submit your entry? First of all, you have to be a native of a country that have low immigration to the United States for the past 5 years. The second requirement, you have to meet the education and work experience. Okay, at least you have to complete high school, or what we call here senior high school, and then you have 2 years working experience for the past 5 years. So if you meet this requirement, you can easily apply for the lottery. So on their forms, these are the information they will ask you to provide. So if you go through the form, which we will go in there shortly to see how it goes, they will ask you to provide your name, your gender, your date of birth, city where you were born, country where you live, country of eligibility of the DV program, your passport number. That is very key, because if you don't have a valid passport number, you will not be able to apply for this lottery. So you have to have a passport number, and then you also have to have a photograph, okay, a recent photograph taken within the last 6 months. So you have to have a photograph, and then mailing address. You have to provide your town, your country, zip code, and the rest. Countries where you live today, phone number, optional email address, level of education, and the rest of the information as you can see on the screens. When we come to the passport picture, they are very, very specific over here. They want it in a JPEG format, and the picture size should be 240 kilobytes or less, and they want it in the square ratio, that is 600 by 600 pixels in dimension. So as you can see on the screen, okay, the picture should have a white background, as you can see here. Okay, so these are the pictures they want to accept. They will accept white background. You can see over here that if you have this kind of pictures, they are going to bounce you. You shouldn't have any other background aside white. Okay, it should be white background. It shouldn't color grade, make yourself blue and the rest. No. There shouldn't be any shadow, as you can see here. So the entry period for this lottery is 6 October 2021 to 9th November 2021. So you can clearly see that the entry period is very short. So if you want to try it this time, then you have to do it now, because time is running out. So you have to submit it now. And one thing you should also take note of is that you have only one time to submit, or you submit only once. If you submit your application twice, thrice, they'll disqualify you. So you have only one entry to submit. Take note that all the information you are providing is accurate. Okay, don't forge any information. Put accurate information over there, because the moment they verify or they get to know that the information you are provided is not accurate, they are going to bounce your application. So keep it in mind. So how do they do the selection? The selection is done based on random selection. Okay, so they randomly pick the people. They'll do a draw and then they'll randomly pick those who wins, and then when they pick you, you'll be alerted, or they'll let you know. This is the official website of the American Lottery, where you submit your entry, and here you are doing everything here. All the information you need is here. So I'm going to walk you through how to do this. Okay, and I'm going to leave the link of the website in the description of the video, or I'll put it on the screens of the video so that you can easily follow it and then you submit your entry. So this is the official website. Okay, when you have a lot of instructions and what to do. Okay, they have a PDF instruction. If you like, you can download it and read more instruction about it. That is what I've summarized in the PowerPoint presentation, but if you still want more information, you can download it and then you read it. Okay, and then the photo examples, as I've shown you in the presentation, you can also check it here and then see the photo you want. Okay, and then so upon going through all those things, then now you begin to submit your entry. So if you want to fill the form to submit your entry, this is where you go. So begin entry. So you click on it and then it will take you to this page. Okay, when you click on it will take you to this page. So this is where you're going to submit your entry. Okay, as you see, you can see at the top that we have part 1, entry information. So as I've shown you in the presentation already, you enter your first name, your last name, your middle name if you have one, and then you select your gender over here, your date of birth is here, city where you were born. These are basic information that I believe you can fill them very well. And then your passport. Okay, your passport, as I've said in the presentation already, you have to have a valid passport that you use it. Okay, you enter your passport number, the date, and then the time it was issued to you, and then you are good to go. Okay, you are good to go. So you make sure that you take your time to fill this information accurately, then you are good to go. Then you upload your photo over here, then you are good to go. This is nothing that I believe you cannot do. This is very simple form that you can fill. Okay, so after filling this, then you continue to the last page, then you submit your entry. My passport has expired, so I wouldn't be able to fill this form live with you guys, but as I've shown you, I believe you can do it yourself. So if you like the video, kindly subscribe to the channel, press on the bell icon, and make sure that you push me up. Okay, so this is all what I have for you guys today. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you, and then bye bye.